And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Welcome back, everyone, to News 5 at 6 on your Thursday. Seeing some rain moving back into the Pikes Peak region as well as parts of Pueblo County. But I want to shift our attention back to the eastern plains, back to an area of the state that has been rocked by severe weather, large hail, gusty winds, even funnel clouds the past few days. This line of storms congealing together and several severe thunderstorm warnings being generated from Kiowa County down to the parts of Crowley County as well as Otero and Bent counties. And these warnings mainly because of hail up to an inch and a quarter in diameter, as well as wind gusts to around 60 miles per hour. Now, the backside of that line, getting some pretty strong storms just outside of Apache City right there in northern Huerfano County. If you're watching us tonight in Walsenburg, good evening to our viewers down there. You're likely getting some showers and thunderstorms as well. And we're seeing some of that rain developing right on the summit of Pikes Peak. I'll show you a pretty sky cam here in just a moment. Some of those light showers extending into parts of the Pikes Peak region. So for tonight, here's what you need to know. Severe hail, severe wind threats, the main areas of concern, although we can't rule out a quick spin up or a landspout tornado in the eastern plains through about midnight tonight. As we look ahead to Friday and Saturday, similar threats on the horizon. And then as we dry out the air mass, high pressure builds in with a significant dome of hot weather settling into southern Colorado. Now, the sky cam just about 5 minutes ago showed a nice little rain shaft on the flank of Pikes Peak. It looks like most of that has evaporated or moved on, but still a pretty sight with America's Mountain and temperature down to the upper 60s. Pueblo, you have some showers in and around town. Might not be physically raining at your house, but still looking pretty unsettled with those stormy skies at a current temperature of 74. La Junta seeing some showers and storms this evening as well, where we're currently sitting in the middle 60s. Now, looking ahead through the rest of tonight, main focus again will be the eastern plains, as any additional rain around the Pikes Peak region probably wraps up within the next couple of hours. And I think the stuff on the eastern plains wraps up probably shortly after midnight. We'll start out Friday morning with a generally clear and calm start to the day. That'll be followed by another repeat performance. It's going to make an encore with the showers and storms scattered at first across the I-25 corridor, then moving east and congealing together for more severe threats along the Arkansas River Valley and the I-70 corridor into tomorrow night. Now, on top of the scattered storms we could see tomorrow in the Pikes Peak region, also going to be a touch cooler with that high of around 74. That's 2 degrees below average for this time of the year. So more rain expected with the area of low pressure to our north and the influx of Gulf of Mexico moisture to our south. We're going to see more scattered storms both Friday and Saturday. And then as high pressure builds into Texas late this weekend, that's going to dry out the air mass and bring in some significant heat. In fact, the hottest temperatures of the year so far on the horizon in the extended forecast. Lows tonight eventually cooling down to the 30s, 40s, and 50s, with your highs tomorrow into the 60s, 70s, and 80s. Take a look at the turnaround. It's pretty quick. 80 degrees Saturday with about a 40% chance of an afternoon shower here in the Pikes Peak region. And then we're soaring to the upper 80s Sunday to Monday. High of 90 by Tuesday afternoon. For Pueblo, not quite to triple digits yet, but with a forecast like this, you got to make sure the swamp coolers are working and the AC is in full working order. After we have a few showers and storms Friday to Saturday, here comes the heat. Tuesday's high expected to be into the upper 90s. For Canyon City, 70s tomorrow, 80s Saturday, up near 90 on Sunday. High of 93 on Tuesday. And for Woodland Park, scattered showers and thunderstorms each of the next few afternoons before a dry and warm stretch of weather that starts on Sunday. Stay with us, everyone. We'll have more coming up on News 5 at 6 after the break.